Imagine walking through your kitchen, knowing that the foods in your pantry could be the secret weapons your body needs to fight cancer. Yes, you heard that right. Your diet can be your most powerful defense. Let's start with broccoli. Not just any vegetable, but a cruciferous powerhouse packed with sulforaphane. This compound doesn't just fight cancer. It targets and destroys cancer cells, making it a must-have on your plate. A 2010 study showed that sulforaphane reduced the size and number of breast cancer cells by up to 75%. Some studies have also found that a greater intake of cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, may be linked to a lower risk of colorectal cancer. Next up, we have berries. These little fruits, especially blueberries and strawberries, are bursting with antioxidants like anthocyanins. These not only slow the growth of cancer cells, but also protect your DNA from the damage that often leads to cancer. Blueberries contain many phytochemicals and nutrients which show potential anti-cancer effects in laboratory studies. Several studies found that eating blueberries increases antioxidant activity in the blood. Meet garlic, your immune system's best friend. Packed with sulfur compounds, garlic supercharges your body's defenses against cancer, particularly in the stomach, colon, and esophagus. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to kill cancer cells in test tube studies. Studies suggest that eating more garlic could lead to decreased risks of stomach, prostate, and colorectal cancers. Based on these findings, including 2 to 5 grams, or about 1 clove, of fresh garlic into your diet each day can help you take advantage of its health-promoting properties. And then there's turmeric, the golden spice with an even greater value. Curcumin, its active ingredient, is a fierce warrior against cancer cells, especially in the colon, breast, and skin. It doesn't just fight cancer, it stops it from spreading. In one small 2011 study, researchers examined the effects of curcumin in 44 people with colon lesions that could have become cancerous. Among participants who consumed 4 grams of curcumin daily for 30 days, the number of lesions decreased by 40%. Don't forget about your leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula are more than just salad staples. They're loaded with carotenoids and folate, protecting your cells from cancer-causing damage and helping repair DNA. A recent study funded by the World Cancer Research Fund found that higher levels of folate, or vitamin B9, and folic acid in the diet can reduce the risk of bowel cancer by 9%. The study recommends that people, especially men, should eat more leafy greens, such as spinach, cabbage, and broccoli on a daily basis to reduce their risk of bowel cancer. Got tomatoes? You should. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to reduce the risk of prostate cancer and slow tumor growth. Consumption of tomatoes and their products on a regular basis has been shown to be associated with a lower risk of several types of cancer. A 2013 review of 17 studies found that a higher intake of raw tomatoes, cooked tomatoes, and lycopene were all associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Let's talk about nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts. High in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, these little wonders reduce inflammation and protect against breast and prostate cancers. Some studies suggest that an increased intake of nuts may decrease the risk of cancer. Research suggests that some specific types, such as Brazil nuts, which are high in selenium, and walnuts, may be linked to a lower risk of cancer. A cup of green tea isn't just soothing, it's healing. Packed with catechins including epicatechin, epigallocatechin, epicatechin gallate, and epigallocatechin gallate. EGCG has the greatest anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer potential. It prevents cancer cells from multiplying, lowering the risk of breast, prostate, and lung cancers. Research suggests it is safe for most adults to drink up to 8 cups of unsweetened green tea daily. However, people should be aware of the amount of caffeine in the brand they choose. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are your go-to for a vitamin C boost. But did you know they also contain flavonoids that can help prevent cancers of the digestive tract? Studies have found that a higher intake of citrus fruits could decrease the risk of certain types of cancer, including cancers of the pancreas, stomach, digestive tract, and upper respiratory tract. Finally, we have carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, they convert to vitamin A in your body, bolstering your immune system and reducing the risk of lung, stomach, and breast cancers. Carrots are the main dietary sources of several potential anti-cancer compounds, including polyacetylines. Some studies have found an association between carrot consumption and a decreased risk of prostate, lung, and stomach cancer. These 10 foods aren't just good for you, they're lifesavers. Incorporating them into your daily diet could be the difference in your body's fight against cancer. Don't wait! Start protecting your body today. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest in health and wellness. Share this video with those you care about, because everyone deserves a fighting chance.